Today we'll be talking about controllers in Laravel. Controller is just a class whose responsibility is to process the request and give us an appropriate response. In all of our previous videos, we are giving the response in the route file itself, but now we'll be using the controller, right? Here we can see that we are returning this home page with the help of this function, right? But now instead of using this function, we'll be using a controller. To do that, let me create a controller. We can create a controller by using this command, PHP artisan make controller and name of the controller. For now, I'm just giving home controller as name. If I press enter, it's created inside this controllers folder. Now, once I look into that HTTP controllers, and as you can see, home controller is created. Now, I want to have this function. Let me create a function inside this controller. Now, I'm gonna copy this code and then paste it inside this function of controller, as we'll be using controller, right? And instead of calling this function, we'll call the function inside the controller. So to do that, I'm gonna have an array, pass the path of the controller, and in a string pass the function name of the controller. Right? So it just means that when we have this URL in the route, it will call this index function of home controller, and this function returns view of home. So let me go to this page. If I refresh this page, it should work as it is, right? User one, yeah. So this is what basically a controller is.